Alright, so this is Betty Rubble. We're gonna call this car Miss Betty. '15 Dodge Challenger RT with a shaker kit. And check out Betty on the inside. This car's only got 60,000 miles on it for 2015. This car is super clean, man. Hopefully you guys can see why I just couldn't pass it up. For a car that's practically 80% done with big mods, all we got to do is make it better. But you can see, see Miss Maggie underneath there. It's got the Mopar cold air kit. Said whoever had this car, they did it up pretty good. There ain't no joke about that. Petty's garage. It's got a lot of mods on this car. So there you go, that's Betty. So, let's go hop in the car, go drive it back to the house, and enjoy it. That's what it's made for. So yeah, guys, I hope you're stoked about the cars I am, because I think it's going to be awesome having Betty on the channel with a stick shift. It's just going to be an awesome car to have fun with and enjoy. Try not to beat on it too hard yet until I get it get the tune sent in to Ryan and have him actually give me the okay that this car is safe to beat on, you know. Give it a little bit of rip. God, this sounds so good. With an automatic, I'm sorry, you just can't. Now frostbite on the other hand, when you grab that ratchet shifter, it feels pretty dang good. wasn't even looking for a car, but it happened to come up, and I seen a car, and I literally just fell in love with it and was like, I gotta have this car. It was a perfect color. I love the color. The shaker is definitely one of my favorites on these cars, is the shaker setup. And I haven't had a manual car since my Mustang days, years and years ago. And as you can see, this is a 6-speed, so we're gonna have Mopar content with 3 pedals and a stick shift. That's right. This is the best sounding Challenger I've ever heard. I'm not just saying that because it's mine, but this car sounds so freaking good.